This week on SV Pau Hana, we head to South Bass Island, otherwise known as Puddin Bay. Rob, that's me, and Don, my dad, sailed to South Bass Island to Puddin Bay to go to a wedding that we were invited to. It's interesting because it's actually going to be on the docks at Puddin Bay. From my understanding, it's the first wedding ever on the docks at Puddin Bay. So we couldn't miss that.
Before I do that, you already know the game plan. I gotta have fun with mommy. Got it. Chris Brown, set it up.
Love the purple. Beautiful.
You need to understand the seriousness of what you're getting into. Not, are you really sure? Because I already know you're really sure. I just want you both to understand that vows are way more important than a promise ever could be. What it also means is that the two of you need to remember what brought you to this day. You need to remember why you decided to make these decisions. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, those whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder. And so for the first time, I introduce to you Dave and Barb Beacon.
Your lights are so bright you need shades.
The rain off in the distance looked like it might stay away, but that's not our luck. Later in the day, luckily after the wedding, it just poured down rain and stormed. And I mean, the boats were rocking ferociously outside the wall. Luckily, we were tied inside the wall.
Motor sailing, because we're going directly against the wind.
Big fat. Now we're sailing.
For now. Okay, see you back into the wind.